Let me give you a few examples. In his book entitled The Social Animal, David Brooks discussed U.S. soldiers who had been to Iraq and Afghanistan on multiple deployments and got to a point, some of them, where they could look down a street just like this and be able to predict with incredible accuracy if there was an IED, an improvised explosive device. They could predict if there was a bomb on that street. That's like magic to me. And the most interesting part is when you ask these soldiers how they did it, they couldn't answer the question. They didn't know themselves. They said things like, it felt cold, or it felt wrong. That's like magic to me. Or maybe closer to home, any parent can look at her child and know in an instant what she's thinking. These are intuitions. These are intuitions that we develop when we have familiarity with a given situation. So it turns out that the subconscious mind can make roughly 10 million observations in any given setting. But at the same time, your conscious mind can only keep track of about 40. It's incredible. It actually depends on the research. It ranges from 40 to about 150. But let's just use 10 million in this unconscious mind to 100 in the conscious mind to make the numbers easy. That means that 99.999% of the observations you make, you're not even consciously aware of. Well, it turns out that there's a lot of research. There's literally been an explosion of research in this area over the past 15 years or so. And the scientists who are conducting these studies and doing this research, and also the authors who are writing about this research, tend to focus on, number one, understanding the immense capacity of our unconscious mind, or two, the implications for companies who are trying to use this information to help them market their products and services more effectively, or three, how we can in fact protect ourselves from the snap decisions and the snap judgments that we make as a result of these unconscious observations. Right? These intuitions come from the 10 million unconscious observations, not the 100 conscious ones. And so what we learn is that these intuitions are in fact a combination of experience and expertise. When you have experience and expertise in a given area, these intuitions, these almost superhuman intuitions, come automatically. Incorporate intentional immersion into your lives in the areas in which you're passionate. Because if you do that, you're going to develop superhuman intuitions that will allow you to advance much, much quicker. And in doing that, you will take one giant step to becoming a superhero of your own. Thank you.